Hey everybody, it's April from Blushing Phoenix. If you've been around for a while, you know that what we do on this channel is we like to empower passionate, creative, and ambitious people who are held back by blushing phobia, erythrophobia, and social conditions that are like causing you to be stagnant, to confidently show up in the world by reframing those negative thoughts about blushing. Listen, one thing that I've learned in being in this business for 4 years now is that a lot of times with people who have chronic blushing and flushing, they are incredibly empathic and artistic and creative. And what's interesting about blushing is that it makes you want to shy back and hide away. I just did a video on that. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. But the reason why I want to talk to you today is because some of you may not know that me, April Pointer, I'm a transformative and empowerment coach that likes to work with people on just getting unstuck, period. Blushing Phoenix is just one aspect of the April Pointer brand. We also have AP Creative and just April Pointer, which is hello, me. And what we do through AP Creative is we help people get unstuck from that sense of self-expression to put your work that's stuck in here and in your body out into the world. If you've been following my journey for a while, you know that I had to do a lot of work on my throat chakra, on my root chakra, like just a lot of work, period, to get my voice back out into the world. Well, I've authored 2 books that are physical books, one's back there in the corner, and an ebook as well. And I realized that every time we have this release of expression and creativity, whether that's on a podcast or a YouTube channel or a book or in a journal, it doesn't have to be this big public thing. It could be a social media post that really impacts somebody's life in a big way. But if we keep those things contained, I believe that not only are you starving your soul, you are starving the world around you who really needs that gift that you have, that only you have, that needs to be expressed with everybody around you. Here's the cool part. I'm offering a free 90-minute workshop that will help give writers and artists and creative people, you don't have to necessarily be an author or a writer, just you know if you know. But I want to give you the tools to get past those self-imposed limitations, foster an environment of growth and exploration, and my favorite, self-expression. We'll address the psychological aspects of creativity and those limitations that you might be putting on yourself. You are going to embark on a transformative journey towards unleashing your artistic potential. So join me for the workshop, Unleashing Your Creativity, Overcoming Mental Blocks in Writing. If you're interested in that, just check out the link below and we'll have more information for you soon. I really hope that you'll come along. You know if it's time.